Hi, I'm Jacob with Wire Ninjas, and today we're labeling Ethernet drops. If you ever looked at a bundle of cables and thought, which one goes where, labeling solves that. It keeps installs clean and prevents guesswork later. We follow a labeling standard called TIA-606. Every installed cable gets a clear, consistent ID. This is crucial for future identification and documentation. Here's an example. 1A-B01. Think of it like a license plate, a unique code that identifies one cable run. The rule when it comes to labeling, the exact same ID goes on both ends of the same cable. If the IDs match, you've identified the run. Print the label and place it near the end of the cable, close enough to read easily, but not right on the connector. After you've labeled your end of the cable, print the same cable ID again and label the other end. One final check. Read the cable ID on one end and read the cable ID on the other end. Exact match. This is how Wire Ninjas labels our Ethernet drops. Clean work, built right, built once. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.